we wish to welcome you to our Halad Museum, which I founded in 2004. I envision, if I have the opportune time, to put up the Halad Museum, but it started actually when I had my Halad concert in 2007, 2008, and 2010. The simple reason why I put up the Halad concert, I was deeply touched when I served in Congress in 2001, 2004. I heard from the radio announcement from a certain Professor Celerio that he was the composer of the Ampasco Isomatic. And I was so shocked, surprised, because I happened to know that the real composer, Ampasco, Casada Ampasco, was no less than my good friend, Noe Ting Rubi. And so I put up my first Halad concert in 2007 in Casino Español to honor two outstanding Cebuano composers, Ben Sobiri, Matodnila, the immortal Cebuano song, and Noe Ting Rubi, the immortal Ampasco, Kasadya Ampasco. Eventually, somebody mentioned to me, a good friend, that Halad concert which I put up in 2007, 2008, and 2010 may eventually be forgotten, like any Solano, lumalabay lang. So it would be great if I can put up a museum. It will be most lasting. And so finally, in 2010, was it right?
Halad Museum.
2010. Exactly, it was January 12th, celebrate the birthday of my father, Don Vicente, because actually the Halad Museum that I put up is dedicated to both my mother, Inday Pining, and Papa Inti. And if I have to quote some of my good friends like Magpilita, it is the only musical museum in the country today.